What's going on, everybody? This is Rich Peoples, and I'm so excited. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. What I'm excited about is if you are inside of the GHL or high level community, I want to assure you, I want to put this on YouTube so the search engines pick up on this. So when you are out looking around for GHL help, here's what you can expect. Um, so if I walk you through that journey looks something like this. You would go out, you would do a search for high level partner, and some of you may refer to it as um, the partner directory. And when you're looking for a partner, okay, what I want to assure you on is that it's probably the best decision you can make if you find the right partner. Okay. Now, finding the right partner, I speak to a lot of potential clients or partners who use HighLevel and they're looking for a partner who's certified to come into their company and to help them with fulfillment of high level needs, or helping their customers with their needs, or even something else. Now, as you can see, again, the way that you find a partner, you'll go out to partners.gohighlevel.com and you'll click on find a partner, okay? And what you'll find Richard Peoples to pop up here. I don't know who that guy is, but he keeps flashing his badge. Um, he's located in Phoenix, Arizona. So he's located here in the United States of America. He's able to articulate clearly outcomes and needs for whatever you need within high level, within reason of you being able to understand. Okay. Like, let's be honest here. Sometimes, and no disrespect or shade to anyone else, but if you can't get past the accent, it hurts in the long run. Again, I'm talking to these people just about every week or every day, that it helps to understand, right? Let me walk you through my background. Number one, you can email me here at this email. I'm still accepting emails here. I'm going to be moving actually to a different email here shortly, but for now, you can email me here and it'll still work even after I change or update this email. You can also go out to schedulerichard.com. Schedulerichard.com will get you to one of two places. Either we do a virtual meeting for 30 minutes, and I will keep it to 30 minutes, or we do a phone meeting for 30 minutes, and I will keep it to 30 minutes. The purpose of those is to do a needs audit. I want to better understand some of your needs, your biggest needs within high level. And I'm also making this video to propose some type of offer. Now, here we are just a few minutes into it, and I'm giving you an offer I think you can't refuse. If you go to the partner directory, and if you hire me from the partner directory, and you mention on the meeting that you found me on the directory, I will work with you for 7 days. In some instances, it may take 14, but because some people just, take a little bit more time than others, getting over NDAs or whatever we need to feel comfortable working with each other. Sometimes that takes 7 days, but I will give you a dedicated week, 7 days, from Sunday to Saturday, of whatever you need done. Hopefully, it's just one project that you need done. And if I can't get it done, you didn't pay anybody to not get it done. That's the best offer right now on the directory. Some may end up following that method, but I'm finding that if I give you a week and we try to work together for a week as a high level partner, now keeping in mind there's only All right, let me let's see here. I don't know where my listing went. There's only 192 members on the directory. Okay. And so my guarantee is that while others will try to get money from you, not really knowing if you're a good fit for each other, I will actually dedicate 7 days, right? Max 14 days to make sure we get our ducks in a row and there's a scope that we can craft based on those first 2 weeks. Now, again, I'm only going to work for that 7 day window, but I will make an extension of the 7 day window in the event you have other partners involved that you need to get permission from, any NDAs, any type of just disclosure, whatever is needed. But I will come in and here's my capabilities. Now, number one, see if you can find another partner on the directory who used to work for Google. Okay. Number two, see if you can find someone that is certified in multiple things, not just HighLevel. I'm talking about Google, Microsoft, advertising, LinkedIn, marketing, HighLevel, SaaS. Now, SaaS is my sweet spot. I typically get pursued or start engagements mainly around SaaS. And SaaS is the 497 plan. I can also migrate from HubSpot, from Salesforce, from Zoho, I can do direct integrations with Toast, Zapier, Intuit, for those of you who need some type of payment. Like one big thing happening right now, Stripe is being removed from HighLevel by certain developers or partners, so that Stripe is not a merchant that you have to rely on in the event you violate one of their policies. I also take on most of the implementation. So there's two ways that you can work with me, maybe three. The first way that you can hire a partner when you show up to the meeting, remember, you can go to schedulerichard.com. You can schedule your 30-minute meeting. We'll keep it 30 minutes. Try not to talk the entire time, but try to articulate and communicate what one thing you need help with in HighLevel. Do not come to the meeting. I caution you, don't come to the meeting with 10 things you're trying to do or 10 things you want to see happen. Come to the meeting with one thing. And if I hear that you have one thing that you're trying to solve on HighLevel, and we can get it done within 7 days, you could potentially get that done at no cost to you if you give me the opportunity for contract to hire or part-time or maybe some equity as a fractional CTO or CMO, whatever that role is. But I'm noticing that the best partners that I align with are those who come to that discovery meeting with one thing they are trying to solve inside of HighLevel. Some other things that I do that you probably did not know or should know. I'm available also for data attribution, custom data visualization, Google Analytics 4 integrations, tag manager, so we can track every event on all of your digital assets, maybe some CAPI, conversion API using Meta. How about some LinkedIn insight tags across all of your digital assets so you know who's coming to your website. And last but not least, if you are looking for white label SaaS implementation, white label SaaS vendors, I'm going to raise my hand and I'm going to say I love working with mainly SaaS. I'm actually launching a what do you call this? Like a website built around or some type of offer built around partnering as a white label vendor for SaaS companies. So if you're looking for that zero to launch program where number one, I furnish you with leads. Let me say that one more time. I will furnish you with leads to help you get your first 10, to help you get your first 100 by providing you leads. Now, these will be cold leads that I am providing you. Also, I will collaborate with you on making sure that you have a SaaS storefront that has all the proper workflows, automations to not only nurture new leads who are potential prospects for your new software or solution as a service, but also if you are looking like you're a coach and you need help with onboarding, you need help with the first 10, you need help with the first 100, and you're doing this all alone and you're trying to figure this out all alone. And even you have partners even, and you said, hey, partners, let's go all in on HighLevel 497 plan as the SaaS plan. You may not have someone who is knowledgeable, again, that you have found from the partner directory that can assist you with some of these issues you're going to run into, challenges that you may perhaps not know about. So I am here for all of that. Okay. So if you like everything that you have heard, again, I'm going to recap what we just went over here for the last few minutes. And I want to put this on YouTube, get it into the algorithm so that you can find a good partner to collaborate with. You would go out, you would perform a search for partners. I'm probably even going to start running some ads here at the top, just so you find a really good partner. It's not your job to find me. It's my job to make sure that I find you in your search. And so I'm going to be having some ads here at the top. Also, again, you can click there and you can find me here at one of the top spots. Changes every day based on some type of algorithm. But you can also type in Richard Peoples and I will pop up there. So if you type in Richard Peoples and go ahead and follow this by copy and pasting, right? And you can email me, or you can go ahead and schedule a discovery meeting. Come to the meeting with one idea that you need help with in HighLevel, and I will credit my time for up to 7 days, as long as it's one thing you are trying to achieve in HighLevel, and it's something that can be done within that time frame as well. And again, the last thing we covered was some of my strong suits and things I can help with, things that I know I've been able to do in time past, I can still deliver today, including that of a white label vendor for your SaaS offering. So if you have heard something that you think resonates with you, is compelling to you, and you would like to take advantage of my one-time 7-day offer as a partner to come in, I was one of the first 40 to get started, whatever that means, right? But I hopped on soon, like early on this directory, and to make sure that, you know, when you're looking for someone who's an expert, instead of hiring someone who may not be an expert, you partner with someone who is an expert and take it from there. Well, I hope that I have mentioned all the key words that belong in the algorithm, like high level directory, high level partner inside of the content. You know, YouTube is listening to this stuff, right? And they're going to index me accordingly on YouTube. Also, if you find this video attractive, this is my last ask, share this with a friend, which means you would like, you would comment and tag someone, you would share this with someone to help me out here. I'm looking forward. If you watch this video, you searched how to find a high-level partner, find a high-level developer inside the content, and I pop up, here I am, you found me, reach out to me, take advantage of the offer, 7 days, or hop on a discovery meeting, and we will take it from there. I'll see you in the next video, guys.